everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up for PopMart account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in popmart.com/. Now what you have to do is enter your country symbol over here. If you're trying to access from Hong Kong, simply enter HK. If you're from US, simply enter US and press enter. Now after that, you'll be led to the official website of PopMart. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, sign in or register. Now you'll be led to the login interface of PopMart. From here, you'll be able to sign in or register for your account. First of all, select the country. Click on the country that is selected right now. Now simply select the country over here. Now after you do that, click on the field of email address and provide your email address. Or instead of entering the email address, you can also join with Google or Apple. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you'll have to create the password for yourself. Click on the field of password. Now create a very strong password for yourself. Once you do that, click on this option, continue to send code. Now a code has been successfully sent to your email. Simply go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here the Gmail will be opened. PopMart has sent me the email, click on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code, go back to the PopMart tab. Now enter that code over here. Once you enter the code, click on this option, create my account. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So that is how you create PopMart account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.